Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin in Settings, so open Settings and tap Privacy and Security now. You need app tracking transparency options visible. Make sure iOS is up to date so these controls exist. Once there, find Tracking and check the main toggle. You can disable Allow apps to request to track so apps can no longer ask. Also consider turning off Share iPhone Analytics to reduce telemetry. These steps stop new permissions prompts and cut many tracking vectors immediately. Next, you'll go deeper per app. In Privacy Right Arrow Tracking, scroll the app list and deny any app you don't trust. This prevents cross-app IDFA-based tracking. Then check Location, Photos, Camera, and Microphone permissions because those sensors can leak behavior. Change access to while using or never as appropriate. Finally, open Settings Right Arrow Privacy, Right Arrow Apple Advertising, and enable Limit Ad Tracking. This reduces personalized ads and resets ad identifiers. To finish, reset your advertising identifier and clear Safari history, plus website data to remove lingering trackers and cross-site cookies. Once done, review Background App Refresh and disable it for sensitive apps to limit background data collection. If you still see suspicious tracking, restart your iPhone and, if needed, reinstall the app after denying tracking permissions. This often clears cached identifiers. If problems persist, check VPN or profiles that might bypass privacy settings.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.